Namba ya arwaru a COVID-19 bururi-ini ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka muthenya thutha wa ungi. Namba ino ikirugamira andu 700 guku andu angi 12 makihona murimu uyu, na riu namba ya andu aria mahonete ari 251.
We have tested 841 samples, out of which 28 have tested positive for coronavirus. This number is distributed as follows. 10 of these cases are from Mombasa, 9 are from Kajiado, 7 from Nairobi, and 2 from Wanjiru. This brings to 700 the total number of those who have tested positive.
Umuthi kaunti ya Kajiado yandikithia namba ya arwaru 9 othe maria atwarithia rori cia thabari ndaya. Mutafariri wa mihang'o thiini wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Rashida Man akiuga matereba kuma guku bururi-ini na bururi turigaine wa Tanzania no maguthie na mbere na guthimwo makiuma kana kuingira guku bururi-ini muhaka-ini wa Namanga. Akiongerera kuga ati laboratory ingi 14 ni ciongereirwo niguo guteithiriria hari guthima andu guku bururi-ini.
Tanzanian drivers who are intending to enter Kenya through that border, we provide a service to them. They are sampled while they are on their side of the border, and we conduct the test. 5 of those Tanzanian drivers who are on their side of the border waiting to enter Kenya were found to be positive.
Oho amanioreti ya Kenya gwithema riboti itari nginyaniru cia ati kuhuthira ndawa cia unduire ni kurahonia murimu wa COVID-19, akiuga andu tacio marenda gwithondekera ngumo king'uki-ini giki gia coronavirus.
Many of these products that are out there do not have any scientific evidence as to their effectiveness.
Murimu uyu guku bururi-ini uthite na mbere na gutherema kaunti-ini 19 guku namba ya andu aria mari na murimu uyu thi othe ari makiria ma milioni 4 na andu aria mahonete ni makiria ma milioni 1 na andu aria makwite kumana na murimu uyu ari makiria ma 200,000.
We call it a day. I just want
Riboti Kameme TV, Retora kwa Wanjiru wa Boro.